can't get in the little shootout. But why we can't get in the shootout like everybody else?
I tell you what, y'all bitches want to get it. Y'all bitches want to get in the shootout. I get the motherfucking body, bitch. How about that?
Oh no, that nigga.
Y'all want to get in the shootout? I get the body, bitch. Let me get the body. I get the body in, goddamn. Y'all want to get in? I know it. I know it.
I'm just saying, if you want to, if you don't, it's true. Because I'm going to call okay, ain't no problem with that. Yeah, that's true. Because I can put it at 100. I got 100.
All right, y'all. We got Blackjack in the building. Hey, I'm at XRP right now. I'm at the racetrack. Look at y'all. I think they're trying to get into some type of shootout. Who finna run Marcus?
Hey,
You got Blackjack.
Kairos.
Who?
Blackjack running. Kairos, my car.
Oh,
Blackjack
okay.
running OG Lab first.
Blackjack running OG Larry first?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think oh, you got a piece? That bitch good, it's still hot. Let me see it. Man, you ain't got nothing else. Yet.
You know that motherfucker's pizza like this good in the motherfucker.
Hey Marvel, who supposed to be racing?
Darnell Gilbert.
Who?
Darnell Gilbert right here.
Darnell versus who?
Me.
You? Oh, okay. Y'all in a shootout or it's a grudge race?
Shootout.
Okay, who the other person?
All these four right here.
You said
Oh, okay.
if you win, go back to trade. Do what you gotta do. They come back to the horse shoot. They don't close the lane.
You like, bro? No, they're gonna round robin.
Ethan, what's up? We got Milton, OG Larry. I don't know what we naming this car. Damn. I need a moderator change the name to G-Body Shootout. I'm finna go get my gimbal. Hey, I need my gimbal, bro. The little thing that twists. grapevine that I hold. I need that. Some go good. Look out, y'all. I almost bit myself. On a 6 kick. What's that? I don't know what it is. Okay. They're just giving away sausage on the stick, y'all. I just took one. But since only 6 people online, should I just go live on YouTube? Go to Savage? What you think, man, since you on here? And a whole shootout about to happen. Or you think, nah, leave it. Leave it like it is. Right now I'm finna go get the gimbal. They just gave me a free sausage on the stick. Oh, where is the oh, there it goes. Nah, fool, stay. I should have put my live. Hold on, y'all. All right, come on, let's split this. Alright, y'all. You should have put your Twitch live across your YouTube video you're playing right now. Like a banner across the video while it's playing, saying you're live. Huh? I don't get that kind of Bojangles. So I'm live on Twitch. And you saying put your Twitch live across your YouTube video. Across my YouTube video, I ain't live on YouTube. I'm just gonna put that I'm live on YouTube. Cause you confusing me. You confusing me. Let me see, let me try to go to my video. Okay, got 6 viewers. Shirt 2.